question, what is this? For question 4, the one thing that we can already see low-key stands out without even making a big fuss about this question unnecessarily is, you see here, there's a minus in the middle. So always pay attention to where this is, because normally where the plus and the minus is, that's where normally things get a bit crazy if you don't pay attention to this, because this automatically tells you, okay, this is one term, this is another term. The moment your brain can see that, it helps you to see, okay, wait, these are common factors in the separate terms, of which that's useful. Anytime you need to simplify something, factor to adjust is to identify something that's common, where there's a plus sign or a minus sign splitting up your terms, you see, because this counts as one term, this counts as another term. This here is one term, another term. So at the top, we can already see that we can just take out the sign x as a common factor. One will be left as a placeholder, and then cos squared x will be left there because the sign will be gone.
Oh, so which means you fetch out
just
side x.
Get some space. So yeah. So at the bottom, we had, what did we have at the bottom? Let me just maybe. Yeah, we took out the sine x as a common factor here. So sine x is out, and then so if sine x goes out, we have to put a 1 here as a placeholder to show that something was there. And then here, if sine x goes out, there's nothing anymore. I mean, the sine x is gone, right? So only the cos squared x is left, because these are two things being multiplied together. So if the sine x goes out, this is there to remain as the only thing that was there. Because remember, if you were to multiply back into your bracket, you should always you should always be able to come back to what this was in the beginning, you see. So that's how you know if you're factorized
so which
properly.
means that side
if you're factorized
side
properly,
x
you
is not
multiplying back should always
multiplied.
bring you back to where you started. Got it. Yona. Okay, so I don't know what happened there, but I'm back, right? Or not? Oh, oh no. Hey, well, let me see. Let me just carry on with this question. So this is what's important, right? Here we can clearly see we have the difference of two squares, meaning from like background information, we know that whatever this bracket is, it can be written as 1 minus cos x and then 1 plus cos x. You see, that's because it's the difference of two squares. Now the big idea is, as long as we can rewrite this like this, we're good to go, because this is like sine x multiplied by 1 minus cos x multiplied by 1 plus cos x, the whole thing over 1 plus cos x, you see. So what's going to happen from there is that likely this is like everything is being multiplied together. So as long as everything is being multiplied together, it means that this can easily cancel that. And then our final answer is sine x multiplied by 1 minus cos x. And then this is our final answer. So yeah, that is what we should do. Let me just stop this.